about this last section, part of section 6. We're going to talk about the idea of multiple answers at the same spot. Much like we were talking here on the board, where we have multiple possibilities of terms being 1, 2, 3. I have a positive x squared. I have a positive x. That means it's positive, Noah, so that means we end positive. So my ending is positive. We're going to start down here. We're going to start down low. And we're going to go up to -2. We're going to touch it and go back down. Because that's what you do with a double root. You go up, but you don't go through. You just go back down. Now we're going to come back down through here to -4. And then cruise back up. Questions there? That's a double root versus a single root. That's the difference between those two problems. Triple root's going to hit it, a little zig, and go through. Maybe one of them later. All right, here we go. Zeros. X plus 2, what's the 0? -2. X minus 1, what's the 0? 1. And x plus 3, what's the 0? -3. So let's put our dots at -2, -3, and 1. My y-intercept. A little bit more difficult here. We have -1, coming very in the front, times 2, times -1, times 9. Where does that 9? -1 times 2 times 1. So we've got the first -1 comes from right there. So we've got 18. So somewhere way up here. 18. Can I just throw that one on there? What is my degree? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. My degree is 4. The sign in front is negative. That means it ends, Simon, negative. Right? So it ends negative. And because it's a 4, even ones end where they start. That means it has to start down as well. So this looks like either, something like an upside down, like so. Well, it ends down because it's negative. And even ones start and end at the same location. If it had ended up, then it would have started up. Odds up here end and start in different locations. Evens end and start in the same location. Good? I'm getting that from the degree. The degree is even. Catherine, thanks for your patience. How do you find the degree? You add up all of the factors. So x plus 2 is one factor. That's the one green one here. X minus 1 is another factor. So now my degree is 2. And x plus 3 squared is 2 more factors, so my degree is 4. If I come up top here, x plus 2 squared, there's 2. X minus 1 is 1, so my degree is 3. If we come up top even further, over here, x plus 1, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Make sense? Yeah, that would be a very important key to dropping this down. All right, so let's try to do a sketch here. I need to do an m. Do I have any double roots? Which one? Okay, so my double root is at x plus 3. I'm going to change that one to purple, just so I know that's a double root. So here we go. We're going to start low. When I get to that double root, what do? Turn around and run away. Now, I've got to get back up through this blue dot, so I've got to go up. And I've got to get up to 18. Now, I'm looking at this one between -2 and 1. The splitting point is about right here. So I probably feel like I got to get up and over before I come back down to the 18. Something like that. The height of your bump above the 18 is undetermined. The depth of your valley between -2 and -3 is also undetermined. All right, moving down. Catherine, is it okay if I put you on the spot a little bit for degree? All right, let's look at our degree here. What would you say my degree is, Catherine? 8 is correct. My degree is 8. All right, somebody else. Who can tell me my zeros? Paul, go ahead. 2, 1, -3. All right. End behavior. Where does it end? It ends down. Now, this is an even. Where do evens start? At the same place that they end. Okay, where does this one start? Down. Do evens always start down? No. Evens could start up. If they start up, then they end up. All right, so here we go. And Marissa, this is the one you asked about. So let's put our dots on our graph. +2, +1, -3. Get rid of my 5 again. I'm going to try to get my y-intercept for a little bit of help here. This minus sign there gives me a -1. That gives me a -2. That gives me sorry, that doesn't give me a -1, that gives me a +1 because it's to the 4th. And 3 cubed gives me 27. So I have 2 times 27 or 54. We are way up there. Way up there. The only reason I put that on is to give us an idea of how far up it's really going. Instead of just doing a little bump, you're like, oh yeah, this actually does way up there. All right. So we start down. I can do that. I'm starting down. When I get to -3, what do I have there? A triple root. So it's not an even root, so it doesn't go back through. So it kind of makes a jog, but it goes through. So come up to it, make a jog, and go through. That's the triple root. Kind of just like a little. Yeah, it'll always, it'll come up as if it's going to turn and then go through. Let's just finish the graph. Go all the way up, come back down. At 1, does it go through? It's 4, so no. It comes back up, and then it goes back down through 2. Okay? And that's it. That's it for our notes. The end behavior will always be the sign at the front term. classes are 5 minutes shorter. You're very welcome.